BJP is protesting against the Congress manifesto. BJP workers are conducting a sitting protest near the Congress headquarters. This is the latest coming in. We have visuals also coming in of the BJP protest that is taking place right outside the Congress headquarters. The BJP workers have gathered outside the Congress headquarters and they are now staging this protest against the Congress manifesto. Huge row has erupted over the poll promises made in the manifesto of the Congress party. The Prime Minister also launched a scathing attack on the Congress party over its poll manifesto promises, once again saying that the Congress party wants to loot the people of the country, referring to the poll promise regarding the wealth redistribution that has been made in the Congress party manifesto. Ishika, my colleague, is now joining us on the broadcast here, getting us more on that. Ishika, what are the details now coming in? We are learning there's a huge protest that is taking place. These are visuals also now that we are getting at the moment right outside Congress headquarters. The BJP workers are staging this protest. What are they demanding?
Well, in fact, the protest is in fact almost over now, but we did see that the BJP workers had in fact marched towards the Congress headquarters in huge number and they were raising slogans continuously, after which they were detained from the spot. Let me show you that we are standing right outside the Congress headquarters and you can see the kind of, security deployment that was there. The BJP workers in fact had broken several barricades to reach here, but certainly couldn't go towards the Congress headquarters. Now, what they say today, is in fact, that Congress with their poll promises are trying to loot the people of Delhi and they are now doing appeasement politics. Now, the BJP today also demanded that Congress should take back its manifesto. And also, in fact, Congress also owes an apology to the women of India. This is what today BJP, while staging this massive protest here outside the Congress headquarters, said. So currently I'm showing you the visuals from here. Most of the workers are in fact detained here. Just a while back, the protest was almost over because certainly all of these workers, all of them were detained, but certainly very dramatic visuals that came from this protest. Certainly when we saw all of these workers trying to break the barricades and trying to march towards the Congress headquarters. So certainly the drama here in the streets of the national capital continues to intensify over the Congress manifesto.
Okay, what is the Congress party now saying? Any reaction that has come in on that? Well, we have been witnessing a face-off between the BJP and the Congress over the manifesto promise. The BJP, of course, has intensified its attack on the Congress party, saying that it wants to loot the people of the country. Prime Minister Modi also referred to the Congress manifesto and Sam Pitroda's remark today during his rally and said that the Congress party wants to loot people even after their death. Now, what is the reaction now coming in from the Congress party at the moment, Ishika? What are you learning?
Well, Kitty, we have seen how after the Prime Minister attacked the Congress party, the BJP is in fact, planning protests not just in the national capital, but in fact across India. Now, after that, we had heard Priyanka Gandhi, very senior leader of the Congress party. She had said, in fact, that her mother had sacrificed her Mangal Sutra for this nation. So certainly after that also, the BJP goes on to say that it certainly shows that with the Congress party now putting it again in their manifesto, shows their in fact mindset. In fact, we are showing you the visuals also from here, how BJP today staged a protest here, but they also plan to do a pan-India protest over this issue. So certainly on that note, the Congress response over this is certainly awaited. But certainly
Ishika,
BJP
you're
is
saying that the
planning to
BJP
hold a
workers who
pan-India
were
protest
protesting
over
here
this
right
now.
outside the Congress headquarters, they've been detained. Where have they been taken? Give us more details about the BJP strategy. You're saying they're planning for these protests to be taken out not just in Delhi but in other states as well. What is the BJP now planning to do? How are they going to strategize this?
50 Delta 250.
Well, Kitty, we did see after how, the Prime Minister had attacked the Congress party, we did see how, in fact, he went all out on Congress party, saying that it shows the mindset of the Congress party and how they still believe in the appeasement politics. Now, after that, today, a massive protest was held by the Delhi BJP delegation here. But certainly this is just the start, is what the BJP goes on to say. They are saying, in fact, that they are now going to hold a pan-India protest over this issue, over Congress manifesto, until and unless the Congress takes back its manifesto. And also, the BJP here demands an apology from the Congress party. Now, certainly, with the BJP planning a pan-India protest, the Congress reaction over that is still awaited. But certainly, one thing is for sure is that the drama over this continues to intensify. Over to you.
Ishika, you're saying that the BJP is now seemingly up in arms against the Congress over this very issue, the promise in the Congress manifesto, which the Congress party says has been twisted. The words have been twisted by the BJP party, but the BJP isn't going to let go of this issue, it seems.
Well, certainly, this is what it looks like from now, because, after we saw Prime Minister attacking the Congress party over this, we are seeing that the BJP is certainly, upping its ante against the Congress party with their massive protests. And in fact, today, the Delhi BJP President Viren Sachdeva also said that they are not going to stop here. They are going to hold multiple protests over this, till and until, the Congress party takes back its manifesto. And we are also, getting to know from our sources that, in fact, the BJP also plans to hold a pan-India protest over this. So certainly, the BJP is trying to amp up the pressure on the Congress party for an apology and for them to take back their manifesto. So now, certainly, all eyes will be on what the Congress will, on what the Congress next step will be after this. Over to you.
Okay, these are more visuals now that have come in of the BJP workers' protest that was taken out just a while back, how the BJP workers who were protesting right outside the Congress headquarters over the manifesto promises by the Congress party